AAG recommends this 3-bedrooms condo. Cozy dining area. Spacious living room. Let your imagination run wild to transform this house. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Soak in the bathtub to unwind your day. Enjoy your me moment at this balcony. Situated in an excellent location, in the heart of CBD. Call our AAG real estate consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.